Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Edu Information Knowledge is Life. Till now, in previous videos, we have seen some theoretical part. From this video, we are going to see installation and setup of graphics environment with code blocks. So it gives an idea that we are going to run our graphics program with the help of code blocks. Okay, so this code blocks, while setting up it with graphics program, we need two steps. First one is installation of code blocks and second one is setting it with graphics environment. Okay, so first one is installation. So before installation we need to download that code blocks. You can directly download by googling it, or you can directly download via www.codeblocks.org website. When you will write code blocks in Google engine search engine, at that time it will show you a first website of www.codeblocks.org. So download it and perform installation. Installation is the simple one. You just need to next. It will get installed. Okay. So after that, for setting graphics environment, we need a WinBGIM graphics library that is having graphics.h file, and that can be downloaded with the help of winbgim.codecutter.org. So when you will download it, you will be having three files. These three files you will be having: graphics.h, winbgim.h, libbgi.a. So graphics.h, we are aware all the graphics related libraries are included there. In winbgim.h, it is short for Windows BGI with mouse. So when you are running your graphics program, all the output will be executed or displayed on the window of WinBGIM. So what you have to do, you have to copy these two files from downloaded folder and paste it to the include folder of code blocks. So that include folder lies in between MinGW folder of code blocks. So the path will be C, program files, code blocks, MinGW and include. So both the files will get pasted here. Okay. After that, the third file, which is libbgi.a, you have to copy it and paste it to lib folder of code blocks, which is also lie just below of include folder that we have handled previous. So the path will be C, program files, code blocks, MinGW and lib. Okay. So after that, you have to open this code block, and there is a one condition: you have to open this code block as an administrator. Why? We are going to see in upcoming video. So when the code blocks will get open, just click on setting tab, from which you have to select compiler one. So when you will click on this compiler, a pop-up message or pop-up window will get open. So from which we have to work on linker setting. Before working on linker setting, just make sure that you have selected GNU GCC compiler. Okay, and then select linker setting, in which we have to work on link libraries and other linker options, from which you have to click on add button. When you will click on add button, add library message window will get pop up, from which you have to browse libbgi.a file. Remember that we have pasted in lib folder of MinGW of code blocks. Yes, that you have to search here or browse here. When you will browse that file, from that C, program files, code blocks, MinGW folder, lib folder, libbgi.a file, click on OK button. After that, it will look something like this one. Okay. Now you have to work on other linker options. So for that purpose, you have to copy this statement and paste it over here. Don't worry about this statement. I will give you this data in description box, so you can easily paste it. So there is no need to write down this statement. Okay. So after that, you have to click on OK button. After clicking OK, there is everything done that we have needed for our graphics programming. Okay, so there is one error. Remember that I told you open code blocks as an administrator. The reason behind this, you need to do some changes in graphics.h file. Instead of having administration privileges, you can't save those changes. So you need to copy this statement and paste it to the line number of 302 of graphics.h file and make sure that you have saved it by Ctrl S or file.save. After that, there is another kind of error comes, that is fatal error, SSTream error. It is having no such file directory error. To remove this error, you just need to swap .c extension with .cpp. So it will get removed. Okay. I hope you enjoy this graphics programming with code blocks and installation and setup of graphics environment with these code blocks. Thank you so much.